Hey everybody! In today's video, I'm going to show you some fun ways to get a textured look on solid stamps. I'm working with the February My Monthly Hero card kit. I love this, it's so much fun. And I have 3 fun ways for you to get just texture on a solid stamp. Now I'm using my ThermaWeb Mini Dot Runner just to temporarily adhere my card to the paper in my MISTI. And I'm using Jennifer McGuire's swipe stamping technique for the first card. You just swipe your ink pad down the card. It sort of creates motion in a solid image, and it's just a fun, different way to use a silhouette stamp. So I'll pull that off of there, and you can see the lines that the swiping motion created on the birds. So much fun. I could seriously do that all day. So I will remove this, and there's still a little bit of adhesive left on my paper, and so I'm going to line this cardstock up again. The reason I'm adhering it is because I wanted the birds to go off the edge of the card, and this way I don't have to have my paper in the corner. So once again, I'll use the Indigo Bold Ink from Hero Arts, and I'll ink these birds up really well, not using the swipe technique, just solid inking. And then the Sunburst background stamp that I showed you just a second ago, that's one of the add-ons this month. I love it. I'm just going to take the dry stamp and do the kissing technique, just lift a little bit of ink from the birds and transfer that dot pattern, which you can see I still have bird shapes on my stamp, and we'll use those in a second. So I'll press these down really well, and then you will see this gorgeous round sunburst pattern on these birds. They are so amazing. Love that. But we don't want to waste the birds that are on the background stamp. That ink is still wet. And so I can use this as basically a mono printing plate with a piece of white cardstock. And I'm just going to put that down on the stamp and then rub that around. And I get a little bit of ink on the back in the process, but that's okay. Nobody's going to see the back. I just want to make sure that I've pressed every area with a little bird on it to transfer it to my card. So this one, I will add outlines and googly eyes for these quirky little dotty birds. This one, I just added a what's the word sentiment. The bird is implied. And the first one is the swipe stamping. Head over to my blog for a giveaway, and thanks so much for watching.